Alright. Welcome to Old Man Reviews. I am the old man in question, and today we are going through Spider-Man, and this is Spider-Man versus Venom. Actually called Spidey versus Venom. A lot of jumping and punching in this one to keep things going along. You must keep away from him when he gets into those little moves where he starts licking you and throwing you around. Pretty nasty looking stuff. The jump kick or the jump punch, followed by a 3 combo, is one of the most effective ways to take care of him. Again, I did switch to the easy mode because the Dazzle was giving me some recording issues, and I got tired of playing. I played the Scorpion level about 4 times before I could get the Dazzle to work right. That was when I switched to easy because that pretty much took up a whole day shooting. Starting at that point, it really does put a hamper in the fun you're trying to have while doing this. That having been said, though, thanks for watching.
Come to Papa!